was reading a book and found a peacock's tail. So I made one for myself with my magic. Oh, I gotta get a tail for myself too. Which tail would look good on me? How about asking the animals? That's a great idea.
Tail, 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 so many tails. Tail, 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 so many tails. A monkey tail, tail, tail is a long tail to hang from a tree upside down.
A fox tail, 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 it's a fluffy tail. A furry, furry, lovely tail. Wow, it's so soft.
A kangaroo tail, 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 it's a powerful tail. Strong enough to stand straight.
A lizard tail, 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 it's a magical tail. It grows back again and again. Wow, it's awesome.
Long tail, a furry tail. Oh, tails, tails full of wonders. A powerful tail, a magical tail. Oh, tails, tails, awesome tails. A zebra tail, 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 it's a striped tail. Swishing, swishing, like a fly swatter. A hippo tail, 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 it's a stumpy tail. Spraying around its school.
It's interesting.
A big tail, 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 it's a curly tail. A curly tail, tail.
A rabbit tail, 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 it's a short tail. Like a little hairy ball. Oh, they're so cute.
A striped tail, a stumpy tail. Oh, tails, tails full of wonders. A curly tail, a short tail. Oh, tails, tails, awesome tails.
Tail, 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 so many tails. I made up my mind. I choose a lizard tail. I want to change mine too. I choose a rabbit tail because I'm cute like a rabbit. Ah! Ah!